Because in that role, there's a value there, right? When you're just working in AI as an operational person, there's not as much value. When I'm operating as an account executive.
Hi, I'm Andrew Braverman. Graduated from the MBS program in 2017. I work in pre-sales in the IT space, infrastructure space, and I came to the program tonight to continue learning, because life is all about learning every day, to network and to make new connections, and just to stay up to date, because I got a lot out of the program, and it's great to participate and work with new students who are going through now, so they can get the same kind of things that I get. During the AI discussion earlier, on the day of learning, I got to experience or learn some new ways of looking at how AI works. Work with those kind of things every day, but that's you look at things online and you listen to videos, and you kind of explanations, and having different explanations with different visuals always makes it easier to round out that knowledge and make it easier not just to understand, but also to communicate to others.